What's up guys, it's Mr. Pepper back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fucking fix the shitty install button. So like if it's not working, like if you tap install nothing happens. So yeah, let's get right into the video.
Yo guys, what is up? It is Mr. Pepper back with another video, and guys, I gotta get this video out the way. I've been holding it back and I want to get it out today. So you guys have that problem when you're installing an APK and it's not really installing. Like, it's not even installing. Here, I'll show you what I mean. Where's my download? So if I go into my download, I'll show you what I mean. I'll click install here. Here, I'll even prove I'm clicking install. Just press show touches. See, I'm clicking install. Let's turn this show touches off now. Don't like it. So we're gonna show you how to make it so you can click it. So if you have like any third-party apps, for example, you see my DU here. You see this DU screen recorder thing, the recording in progress. Yeah, if you have AZ screen recorder, actually, you're going to need to press that X button. It looks like that. It's an X. Here, you see, it's going to be like a little X button on the top right corner. It's gray. So yeah. Okay, and another third-party app or over-screen delay apps, that could be one of the problems. Like Easy Eyes, for example, that's over delay, and that's a third-party app. So obviously, if you're running Easy Eyes like me, all you got to do is tap the eye, that little like eye thing. And then it turns off. So if now we go into my file manager. I'm using SmartKit because it's cool. So why did I just draw? Whoops. Okay. Okay. Whoops. So now we can click it. As you see, I can click it. I'm holding it. As you see in the install, it goes gray. Here, because I don't want to actually install KineMaster, I'll do a diff. I'll turn it back on for y'all, just to show you that if when I hold it, I turn on my third-party app, go into my install. I'm going to hold it. Here, I'll even turn on show touches to prove I'm holding it. It doesn't go gray. So you guys, that is how you install or fix the install button not working. That install button is pretty dumb. I wish I got a new one, because it actually sucks to me. But yeah, guys, that is how you like just fix your problem with the install button. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if it was helpful. And as always, guys, have a great day and peace.